Every great home begins as an idea. Before the paint, before the lights, before the beauty, there is structure. This is the journey of a modern three-bedroom home, built step by step with precision and purpose. We start at the foundation. The most important part of any building is the part you don't see. A strong foundation determines the lifespan of the entire structure. From excavation to footing, every measurement matters. Then comes the walling stage. Cement sand blocks carefully aligned. Vertical and horizontal levels constantly checked. Because even a few millimeters off can affect the final finish. As the walls rise, the vision becomes visible. Openings for windows. Spaces for doors. Room divisions taking shape. Next, the ring beam and slab. This home uses a hidden roof design. That means the roof structure is concealed behind parapet walls, giving it a clean, modern appearance. But what looks simple on the outside requires serious engineering inside. Proper reinforcement. Correct slab thickness. And most importantly, internal slope for drainage. Without slope, water would remain stagnant. With proper slope, the building stays protected for decades. After structural completion comes plastering. This is where rough construction transforms into architectural form. Edges become sharp. Lines become defined. The modern box design begins to stand out. Then comes waterproofing, a stage many people underestimate. Membrane layers. Protective screed. Sealed joints. Because beauty without protection is temporary. Finally, finishing. Doors installed. Windows fitted. Lighting activated. From fog to rain. From winter to clear skies. This house stands strong through every season. Not just because of design, but because of disciplined construction. Progress is not about speed. It is about sequence. Foundation. Structure. Protection. Finish. And when the last light turns on, you are not just looking at a house. You are looking at patience turned into architecture. Stay tuned. Because this is how vision becomes reality.